Hey people, nice to be back here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe. I promise you would love the simple and delicious healthy recipes which I share directly from my kitchen. Today I am sharing Lauki Muthia with you all. This recipe is generally prepared for the snack time and it is a wholesome meal which can be taken as a dinner also. Let's see our ingredients. This is half a bowl of semolina suji. This is 1/4 bowl of besan flour. This is 1 bowl of grated bottle gourd. And we will need some oil for shallow frying our muthias. This is half a bowl of dahi curd. This is half a bowl of buckwheat atta. And this is 1 bowl of cooked rice from yesterday. Some sesame seeds and curry leaves, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, a pinch of sugar. Then we will need some masalas. This is salt and some hing. Now let's begin with our recipe. First I will take 1 bowl of leftover cooked rice from yesterday. Then we will add the curd, or you call it dahi, in it. Let us mix it properly and leave it for 1 hour to marinate. Now let's mix all the ingredients. First I am taking the besan flour. Then we will add our buckwheat flour. Then we will add the semolina suji. And then we will add the marinated rice which were left for 1 hour. And now I will add the grated bottle gourd. Here I have squeezed out the water of the bottle gourd so my dough doesn't become too watery. Now I will add some freshly chopped coriander. And then I will add the ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Now we are going to add some jeera, some haldi powder and salt to taste. We'll add little bit of hing, a pinch of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oil. And just mix all the ingredients properly. Now we will need all the ingredients in a soft consistency dough. We don't want our dough to be too watery, neither too hard. So after kneading, we will roll out the dough in equal size muthias like this. Grease your hands little bit before rolling out the muthias and take equal portions and make muthias out of them. Now let us grease our steaming plate. Put a little bit of oil on it and grease it properly. After greasing, we will put our rolled muthias side by side in this plate. Take care you leave a little bit of gap between the muthias so when they expand in their size, they don't stick together. Here, as you can see, I have put the steamer on the flame since 10 minutes now. Let us check the water. It is boiling already. So now it is ready to put in our muthias. Place the plate of the muthias carefully. Don't burn your hand. Just level it properly and then cover it the lid and we'll wait for 15 minutes for the muthias to get steamed. Now let us check on our muthias. It has been 20 minutes. Let us put a knife inside and see. If the knife comes out clear, it it has been done. So almost they are cooked very nicely. And here I have taken out the muthias in the plate. Now I will cut them into equal slices and then shallow fry them. Now I have taken the pan and kept it on the flame, and now we will pour in our oil to shallow fry our muthias. We will wait for the oil to heat up and then we will start with our tempering. The oil is all heated up now. Let us put in some mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. The mustard seeds have started spluttering. Now we will add the sesame seeds and the curry leaves, and then we will add a pinch of hing asafoetida to it. Now let us add our muthia slices to this oil one by one. So as you can see, I have put all the slices in the oil and I will shallow fry them for 5 minutes. I will keep on flipping them over and wait till they turn crispy and golden brown from both the sides. So almost you will need 5 to 7 minutes until all the pieces are nicely done. Now I have served my muthia slices in the platter with green coconut chutney and red onion and tomato chutney. Now let me show you how it looks after I take a bite of my one muthia slice. Just dip it in the chutney and obviously it looks so yummy and delicious, and it is healthy too. So do give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Share it with your friends and family, and do comment in the comment section below how was your trial. See you in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, bye and take care friends.